Oh my gosh, I don't like you. Hey, how's it going? It's only a few minutes. We all like and want to be liked, but sometimes we slip into habits that can unintentionally push people away. Maybe it's happened to you. Building positive relationships requires self awareness and consideration on how our actions may impact others. Here in this video today, only a few minutes, we're going to contribute to people disliking you. Here are 6 habits to be mindful of that can make people dislike you. We're also going to get into some tips for breaking those habits. Number 1, gossiping. Oh my gosh, did you see the size of her butt? Talking negatively about others behind their backs can damage trust and make you seem untrustworthy. Instead, here's what you should do. Focus on positive conversations and avoid negativity. If you hear gossip, don't participate. It's hard to do. Politely excuse yourself or redirect the conversation. Remember, you make the little world around you and you choose where you swim in the pool, if you know what we mean. Number 2, interrupting. It's another habit that can make people dislike you. Interrupting constantly and cutting people off can make them feel unheard and disrespected. If they can't finish a thought, maybe you want to change that habit around for yourself. Instead, practice active listening. Make eye contact, nod, and wait for pauses before speaking yourself. Let others finish their thought before sharing your own. This way, it's more of turns in a shared conversation rather than an evil guy monologue from a movie. Number 3, habits that might make you not well liked is being overly negative. Negativity, don't get us wrong, there's a place for it, but negativity, you should know, can be contagious if it goes on for too long and drain the energy of those around you. Instead of draining the energy and being overly negative all the time, try to focus on the positive aspects of a situation and people. People notice when you practice gratitude and share uplifting thoughts. It makes the workplace easier. We're all in this together, swimming the same way. We're rowing the same boat. Let's go. Number 4, bragging. Boasting about your accomplishments can come across as arrogant and self-absorbed. I'm so good at this. I'm so good at that. I'm kind of like the best, but I don't do it ever because I'm lazy. Bragging can come across definitely as arrogant. Instead, do this. Let your actions speak for themselves. Be humble and celebrate the successes of others. Number 5, not being a good listener. Maybe you missed it the first time. Pay attention to what others have to say. It shows that you care and value their opinions. You value those people. Not listening can grate on people after a while as not feeling like you care that they're even there. Instead of not being a good listener, here's what you should do instead. Put away any distractions. Pretend like it's the 1920s. Ask clarifying questions. Be polite and avoid interrupting. Let them have their moment to shine. Show genuine interest in what others have to say. Who knows? You might even enjoy the conversation a bit more with them after that. You give them a turn, then they give you a turn. It all goes around making the world a better place. Here we go. You make assumptions without understanding the full picture can lead to misunderstandings and hurt feelings. Feelings take time to repair if you can get the relationship back. Instead of making assumptions, here's what you should do. If you don't want to be considered unliked, ask questions, seek clarification, and avoid making snap judgments. Be open to different perspectives. There we go. Tips on how to break habits that can make people dislike you. If you enjoyed this video, only a few minutes, just posted another interesting body chemistry video about what happens when you eat raw garlic every day. There are some potential benefits and also some warnings if you put garlic in your food for flavoring. Check that one out next. Remember, building positive relationships takes effort and practice. So if you're watching this video and made it this far about habits that can make people dislike you, know that by being mindful of your habits and making conscious changes, you can cultivate a more likable and approachable personality. Here's a bonus tip. Be yourself. Authenticity is always appreciated, so don't try to be somebody you're not. Embrace your unique qualities and let your true personality shine through. I hope it's helpful. Let me know if you have any questions, clarifications, or you have a story to tell down in the comments below, and help each other out down in the comments.